Hello and welcome back. This is episode 9. For this episode we threw a little bit of a curveball in. We did some last minute camping near, Lake Wenatchee State Park. Pretty eventful evening. Someone almost burnt down the fire. Burnt down the forest behind us with a fire. I guess they were camping back there. Everything was very dry that weekend, and Forest Service, Fire Rescue had to come back there and address the issue. We went back there. We didn't get too close, but we scoped it out. I got a little bit of footage. And then we hiked the Minotaur Lake next day. Beautiful lake up near Stevens. We took the back way getting back to Highway 2. We actually took the back road getting there and then took the back way out to Highway 2 coming back. Absolutely gorgeous back roads. If you ever go do this hike, make sure to bring like a GoPro and attach it to your car to record the drive in and drive out, because it's just as impressive as the lake itself. So I'm gonna stop talking now, play some more disc golf. I'm here at Howling Coyote disc golf course in Bothell, Washington. Pretty cool little spot. It's about 20 minutes from my house. Figured I'd come check it out, switch it up a little bit. This video will be up in 2 weeks or so if you're a disc golf fan. If not, you can skip it and catch up with us later. Until next time. There we go. Tent Redemption from Cannon Beach. Oh wow. That's okay. Nothing a little steak can't fix.
Remember, actually it was Cannon Beach when it started raining and we were like getting it all together with the quickness.
yeah, got the strawberry shake. 2 cheese and a fry. That's my go-to. You will get a full review on Dick's Drive-In here soon. Until then, I'll see you next week. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay safe. Stay lost, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.